Assalamualaikum guys, hi everyone, how are you? It's me Farooq Khan, you are watching T&tech support. So today I'm going to show you how to update your Emirates ID for your 2 SIM card in UAE. Don't skip the video, please watch full video so how you will know how to update your Emirates ID, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. So let's start my video. So guys, after coming mobile screen, then open the application. Then after open application, you can see your account. This is the account. So after click on three dot down, here choose ID renewal, then continue. Here you have to put your username, then down you have to put the password. After you fill up, then after you have to click on here authorize. Then here you have to choose, if you have more number, just select which one you want, then send the OTP. Then here we have to wait for the OTP coming. So I receive already the OTP, so here I have to fill up the OTP. After fill up, then you have to wait. Then here you can see the option capture the front side your ID. Please scan clearly and on daytime, because if night time it will be not many time you have to scan. So here you can see, here this is the back side. Then capture again, because it's not clear, you have to make on clear. So here you can see this one is clear. So after that you have to click on the number again, then this one also submit. So this one it will take little time for verifying. So after verified, it will be, you can see here. So here you can see it's great news. That's may take 48 hours. It will take send you SMS. So they said it take 48 hours. After 48 hours, within 48 hours they will send you the message that it's already completed. So here you can see at same time also you receive the message from them. So it will take maybe 2 days to complete the renewal.